Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, and I'm going to do I've already kind of did the unboxing, but I have not taken this thing out of this box yet. And I say thing, this is a coffee grinder. This is a top of the line coffee grinder that we were given as a gift, a very nice gift, an unexpected gift, and we appreciate that. So I just recently got a smaller little grinder. It's decent. I used it today. Doesn't I don't know. It doesn't give you that fine grind that I was trying to get out of it for Don Pablo's coffee today, and I wasn't totally sure if it was like hitting the right, grind. Needed to be like a fine, like a fine sand, but just before powder. I think it was how Darren was telling me, but or how he tells it on the actual packages too. But this is a really nice grinder, and I've been doing. I just started doing some coffee reviews for Don Pablo's. And they have only whole bean because it's better that way to grind it, and then have it fresher like that. So I needed to get a grinder, and I got that one, and then I was gifted this one today. So I think it's pronounced OXO. I don't know yet, but this one here is like a really nice one. Large capacity, mess-free hopper, stainless steel conical burrs, powerful DC motor, UV blocking tint on the top cup area up here. Precise settings from fine to coarse, that's nice. One touch start. Static fighting grounds container. Huh, that's funny. I was just noticing on the cafe grinder I was using today, as it gets grinded up, it has like a static to the coffee grounds, and it sticks inside the top. I'm thinking that's what it's talking about, static fighting grounds container. So I guess it keeps it from sticking, maybe, I don't know. So pretty interesting. I wanted to get this thing out and show you guys and look at it with you. All right, it has a step-by-step deal here of how to start doing this, how to start getting ready for grinds. Has a nice manual, instruction manual. Makes things thick. It's heavy. It's got some weight to it. It's got a little scoop. That's cool. Man, that nice. Up here we got the cylinder the coffee goes into. Holds a lot. Warning, never overfill grounds container. Grounds can back up and block the chute, causing the motor to burn out. Always make sure grounds container clicks into place when you place it in there. I'm not trying real hard yet. I'm just kind of looking at it. We still need to kind of wipe it out and stuff, but pretty nice, pretty nice. Oh, it has a locking mechanism on the top part where you can turn it to unlock it, to take it out, to kind of clean it a little bit. Oh, okay. Take the whole top part off. Came off pretty easy. Let's see. So it looks like you push down and turn, and then go this way. Maybe it's this way. To lock it. There it goes. Huh. Yeah, that's nice. Fine, medium, and coarse. Okay. Wow. Additional features: one-touch start, stainless steel. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I already read those. Okay. Well, there you go. Pretty nice. Okay. Well, I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you to the gentleman that got us this. It was very nice. I have not been given permission to mention any names or anything, so you know who you are. And thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. And got some Don Pablo different kinds. Got 3 more to do, so I want to use this machine for those, and get that fine grind that I need for those. So there you go. Yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We will see you all on the next one. All right, bye.